Never missed a
And
soak in my life, dude. I don't know what you're talking about.
it throws everything else way out of whack.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everything else was good there in terms of getting out and shit, dodging beams.
Their eyes long for one another, yet their gaze incurs calamity.
Serranus, be gone from my gaze!
There is no power
Moonkin 3.
I cannot defile.
Hulk is out.
How can you win?
Watch beam in front of melee.
Console was drained.
You are mine. You've grown complacent. Allow me to liven the field.
Ethanel, I need you! Show yourself!
Pop these
Vulcan
beacons.
5.
You are mine.
Hulk is out.
How can you win?
Watch damage and ads. Watch beam.
Gone from my gaze!
Stop damage on ads. Completely stop damage on ads.
You've grown complacent. Allow me to liven the field.
Kill.
You've grown complacent. Allow me to liven the field.
Pot if you're supposed to.
You there! Step forward!
Kneel before your queen.
Beam coming up. Beam.
If you stand divided.
Dispel soon.
Wait a second on orange. Go. It's fine at 5 stacks.
The voids bend to my will.
Get ready to hide. Hide.
Taste of my power.
Skip a global.
Reset your
Reset.
stacks.
Another heart soon to be broken.
Skip an extra global. Head towards blue.
Kneel before your queen.
Boss has an extra feedback for the next as well.
From darkness, sirens come forth.
I stack on blue.
Coax the power from these ancient wards.
Blue's in the boss.
Rattle the chains that bind him.
Do you want to go to the boss? Yeah.
Stars, save us.
Azshara is drawing upon the heart of Azeroth, feeding its energies into her ritual.
You've only just come to this realization. First Arcanist indeed.
Myrmidon is out.
Don't you, heroes? Every move you've
Bad
made
and tongue.
has been according to my will. That lumbering dwarf believed you could save Azeroth by empowering your shining little heart. The gift of a sleeping titan. Yes, a titan's heart was exactly what was needed. Not to heal the world, but to shatter the prison of a god.
Gonna be a fourth dispel on this,
Such
remember?
delicious irony. The
I can get it.
Diamond King has been made a pawn.
I got it.
The ritual nears completion. The
I'll
Black
get that.
Empire
You can
rises,
cloak it.
and the
Sure.
world
There you got
awaits its true queen.
There will be
Who's
no
got next interrupt?
coronation this day.
The one's gonna be shield.
Lysra, aid me. Together we can hold her here. Now you will know what it means to be trapped, Azshara.
Leave.
I am Azshara! I was destined to rule. No force can bind me.
Champions, claim victory.
Koala, can you barrier the second console?
No,
Okay.
it won't be up.
Watch detonation.
It will be. It's a 3-minute.
Watch detonation. Somebody get next.
If it is, I can.
It will be.
Okay. I believe her in
Somebody
you.
gets this.
I can get it still. Kill this old Myrmidon, thank you. Get this Myrmidon low. Beckons and dispels. Careful on dispels. Make sure we watch Beckon.
Easy to grip. Okay.
Koei.
How can you win if you stand divided?
Break the shield and kill the Myrmidon. LOS the shield break.
Watch the detonation.
Arcane destruction!
Somebody get next.
I got it.
Boss is a little bit high.
Kill the Myrmidon and then get the boss low and kill the end. You watch your soaks.
Watch your
Automatic
stacks. Don't get too many stacks before we phase up.
Yeah, refresh your stacks.
Remote second.
Devoted
Middle.
blood spilled freely upon the
Augments.
sand.
Both druid soak middle as well.
The song of the deep rings to call him forth.
Bait.
Reset stacks.
Go.
Go. Going to the other side of the console.
Eyes coming soon.
In 5.
Watch eyes.
Jordan, can you soak middle during this?
Not during the beam.
Through boss, careful. Through boss again, careful.
I'll go after. I'll go now. I gotta wait for the beam.
Bait.
Bait. No, so I wanted to before that. Just soak here, it's fine. Soak
Okay.
this.
You get me up?
Yeah.
I'm getting you now.
Purge your purity, heroes.
I can soak.
Bot
Box.
beckons. Soak console as soon as you can.
Watch portal coming towards.
You caught me off guard. Fair enough.
Make sure you reset stacks.
Reset here. Barrier.
Not be the end for any of us.
Go.
Go.
I know your dreams. Your lust for power.
Piercing gaze in 5 seconds.
Make sure you soak as soon as your stacks are
It's
good.
bait after this. Very important.
Yep. Our stacks are so good right now.
Through boss.
Beyond your wildest imagination.
Res.
Through
Base
console.
bait.
Head for bait, head for bait, head for
Away
bait.
and Havoc soak console, please.
Choose your fate.
Back in. Koala soak. Baxla soak.
Let me know when to hit this.
OE soak. Stack up.
soak?
Res airmail. Hit it. Yes. Hit it. Reset your stacks. Hit it again.
You haven't potted already, don't you?
Again. Go. As soon as your stacks are off, soak. Myself. Kieran, Clam next. We have
Can do
reversal
intent.
soon.
Actually, no, I'm going now.
Everyone needs to soak. You need to soak now.
Soak.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
Another portal.
Beams in 5.
Yeah, just get away.
Eyes, eyes, eyes.
Drive these eyes and we win.
Good job. Yeah.
Oh, I hate this game.
Ah, dude.
That's so
We're so good.
The beams still go off. That's great. Oh my fucking god.
No loot on blue.